welcome in your coordinate class 10th here. We in previous class we discussed the exercise 7.1 question number 6. Now today we discuss here question number 7. Question number 7. Now here is given that find the points on the x-axis which is equidistance from 2. Here is the abscissa is 2, ordinate -5, and second point we given abscissa is -2 and the ordinate is 9 here. Now let the point find the solution of this problem. Solution here, let the point here we let the point P x0. Find the point. तो उस पॉइंट को हमने क्या मान लिया P and their coordinates are given x and 0. Where on the x-axis on the x-axis and E is here, their coordinates 2 and -5, and B is given, B's coordinates is given -2 and 9. Here these points are given. Now look at this one. If see here, look here, this point is P, this point is A and B, this one is shows x0 and this one is shows here on the x-axis. So x0 y लिए होते तो y and x0 क्लियर. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन ये भी हो सकता है कि on y axis, so we get here x0 and y take here. Clear? Now here is x, तो यहाँ पे हमने a क्या हो गए, a की कोऑर्डिनेट्स हमारे 2 -5 and b's coordinates here given that -2 and 9. Clear? आप क्वेश्चन को जब हम देखते हैं इक्विडिस्टेंस, तो मतलब क्या है, a और b p से क्या है, इक्विडिस्टेंस है. तो we find here PE. तो PA, तो P is the values. Find the use here the distance formula here. Here, so x1, x2. So here is 2 minus x whole square, 2x. Find here PE, we find here PE, so PE this one here and plus y2 minus y1. y2 here is given that -5 and y1 given here is 0, -0 whole square. Clear? And second thing is given here, we find PB. In PB, to P, this one x1, y1, x2, y2. So we use here the distance formula. Everyone know that x2 minus x1. The x2 here is given that x2 is given here -2 and x1 is given here -x whole square, plus then what find here, y2 9 minus y1 0 whole square. Here according to the question what saying equidistance, so with this one is right here, PA is equal to PB PA is equal to PB. Can write this? Okay. Now write this one. What we write here? Under root 2 minus x whole square plus minus 5 whole square equal to under root minus 2 minus x whole square plus 9 whole square. Clear? Now what we get here? Look that. Can I erase this? What we find here? हमें क्या मिला? Now this one is squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. ठीक है? Squaring both sides. When we square, this one is under root 2 minus x square plus minus 5 whole square is equal total whole square is equal to under root minus 2 minus x whole square plus 9 whole square is total of whole square. अब जब हम रूट को स्क्वायर कर देते हैं तो रूट कैंसिल हो जाता है, तो हम इसे लिख सकते हैं क्या? 2 minus x whole square plus minus 5 whole square, and this one is right now minus 2 minus x whole square, and this here is right now minus plus 9 square. Clear? Now we use here the a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square identity, you know that a minus b whole square, we write here a square plus b square minus 2ab. This one, to use here a square, the 2 whole square plus b square x whole square minus 2 into a is 2, b is x, here, and this one is minus 5 whole square, we get here 25. Clear? This portion is clear. Now here we look that is equal to, use here same identity. Clear? Use here a square minus 2 plus b square x का whole square minus 2a, a means minus 2, b into x, clear, plus 9 whole square is 81. This portion is clear. So what we get here? 4 plus x square minus 2 2s are 4x plus 25 is equal to minus 2 whole square, we get here is a 4 plus x square minus into minus multiplication plus 4x plus 81. Now look that here, which portion is cancelled of this this equation? Both sides we find that here, what we get here? 4 both sides positive, so this portion can cancel. X is positive, x either is positive, minus 4x plus 4x plus 81 minus 81. So only we find here minus 4x plus 25 is equal to 4x plus 81. Clear? if both are is one side we take this one, तो what we get here, अगर हम एक तरफ ले लें सभी variables and non variables, तो change here the variables and non variables. This one is goes minus 4x, positive goes that side, minus 4x, 81 minus 25. Clear? So what we get here, minus 8x is equal to 11 minus 5 we get 6, 7 minus 2 we get here 5. So x is equal to 56 by 8 minus 8, 8 7 is 56, x is equal to we get here is minus 7. X is given that here is minus 7. So coordinates of the point P. So the coordinates of the point P. Show the coordinates of the point P. Point P minus 7 0. Clear? This one is your answer. Now let's we discuss next question of this exercise 7.1, question number 8. Clear? Any doubt in this one? If face any problem, we consult me. Now see your question number 8 here. Question number 8 here is find the value of y. Find the value of y. Find the value of y for which the distance between distance between the point P. Point P's coordinates is given that 2 minus 3, and Q's coordinates given here 10y. Clear? Is the 10 units is 10 unit. Clear? Units. अब आप देखिए आपको क्वेश्चन क्या दे रहा है, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ y. y की वैल्यू हमें निकालना है फॉर विच द डिस्टेंस, हमारे पास जिन डिस्टेंस के बीच में हमको पॉइंट्स निकालना है तो उसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स दे रहे हैं, जैसे p और q पॉइंट्स दिए, p के कोऑर्डिनेट्स दे रहे हैं 2, -3 और q के कोऑर्डिनेट्स गिवन दैट हियर 10 and y is 10 units. So it is distance is given here is 10 units. Clear? And these are things are the 2 points, and find the abscissa of q point, ordinate of the q points. Clear? So use here the let the solution of this solution. अगर आपके 2 points दे रहे हैं, here is given the point P and point Q, they are 2 and 3 and their coordinates is 10y, और इनके बीच की जो distance दे रहे हैं, distance is given here 10 units. Distance यहाँ पे दे रहा है 2 units, 10 units. तो use here the formula of distance formula. So distance formula, find the distance between P and Q. is equal to here x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 minus x1 का whole square plus y2 minus y1 का whole square. And now you see that here is x2. x2 is given as 10, x1 is given here as 2, tick. y1 is given minus 3 and y2 given here is y. Clear? Now put the values of this and PQ. PQ is given here 10 unit. Clear? So put here is the 10 is equal to under root x2. x2 here is 10 and x1 is given that 2 whole square plus y2 here is given that y and y1 here is given that minus 3. So this one write this minus 3 whole square. Clear? So first take another step. This one is 10 minus 2 we get 8 whole square and plus here y minus into minus multiplication plus y plus 3 whole square. Clear? Find the value. So this is equation squaring both sides. Squaring बोथ साइड. अब इस इक्वेशन को हमको क्या करना है कि दोनों तरफ हमको स्क्वायर करना है. नाउ लुक हियर, squaring of both sides 10 square is equal to under root 8 square plus y plus 3 whole square is total of whole square. Squaring of both sides. So what we get here, 10 square is 100 and this one here 8 square plus y plus 3 whole square. Clear? Now what find here? Find the value of y. So this one is 100, 8 is 64 plus use here the a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square we use here a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Use here this identity here. So a square y square plus b square is 9 plus 2 3 is 6 y. Clear? Now look that here 100 is equal to 64 constant terms, 64 plus 9 plus 4 13 and 6 plus 1 7 plus y square 6y. Clear? Now look this here. What we get here, this portion is come that side. So what we get here, y square plus 6y plus 73 minus 100 is equal to 0. Clear? When the minus the 100 and 73, so what we get here, y square plus 6y. Minus term is greater sign, so sign here is a minus. 10 minus 3 we get here 7 and 9 minus 7 there is 9 minus 7 we get here 2. Clear? This one is your equation. Clear? This one is your algebraic equation and is use here the middle term splitting. So we get here, find this one is y square plus 9 3 ja 27 or 9 minus 3 is we get here 6. Clear? So this one is a 9 minus 3 y minus 27 is equal to 0. So this one is a break here, y square plus 9y minus 3y minus 27 is equal to 0. Here we get the common y. So what we get here? Y plus 9, and here is common minus 3. We get here y plus 9 is equal to 0. So in both is common here, y plus 9 and remaining y minus 3 is equal to 0. So x y plus 9 is equal to 0. So y is equal to minus 9, and here y minus 3 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 3. Here we find the y's two values, minus 9 and minus 9 and y3. Yeah, it's your answer. It's your answer. Where y is equal to minus 9 or y is equal to 3. Clear? Now we discuss here the question number 9 in this chapter. Now your next question here. Next question here is given. Question number 9. If Q's coordinates given here 0, 1 is equidistant from P, their coordinates are 5 and ordinate minus 3, and R x 6. Find the value of x. Find the value of x, and also find the distance QR and PR. और इनके बीच के डिस्टेंस हमें फाइंड करना है, किनके बीच में, QR and PR. It means say that here this here is given the point Q, P, R. Q's coordinates is given here 0, 1, and P's coordinates given here 5, minus 3, and R coordinates is given here x 6. Clear? Now we get here distance. If Q is equidistant from Q क्या equidistance पे है, where PQ and QR are the equidistance here. So same formula, just like question number 8. Use here the same question here. Solution here. Use the distance formula. Is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here, so we first use here the find P and Q, PQ. So let here the PQ. Find the distance between P and Q here. Let the point here the P and Q. So P and Q here we find here PQ. So P here is x1, y1, x2, y2. So x2 here is 0, and x1 is here given that 5 whole square here, plus y2 here is given that 1, and y1 here is given that minus 3 whole square. Clear? So we find this one. Let here and step here. Now here minus 5 whole square, and this one is right here 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3, 8 means 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3 whole square. Here, so this one, and now find the distance between QR. Find the distance between QR. Use here the distance formula. QR. So x1, y1, x2, y2. x2 is given that x, and y1 is given that here. X1 is given that here 0 whole square, plus y2 here is given 6, and y1 here is given minus 1 whole square. This one is so that both are the equal. So right here PQ is equal to QR. PQ is equal to QR. So put here, look that here, under root minus 5 whole square plus 4 whole square is equal to under root x whole square plus 5 whole square. 6 minus 1, we get here the 5. Squaring both sides, squaring both side we get. अगर हम इसे दोनों स्क्वायर कर रहे हैं, बोथ साइड स्क्वायर कर रहे हैं, तो व्हाट वी फाइंड हियर, हमें क्या मिलता है यहाँ पे, वी फाइंड हियर squaring both sides. So here is roots cancel here. So this one is right here. 25 plus 16 minus 5 whole square is 25 plus 4 whole square is 16. And now here we get here x square plus 25 plus 25. Both sides equal forms. So this portion is cancelled. X is square is 16. So x is equal to 4. X is equal to root 16 or 4. So we find the first point is find here x is equal to 4. Now what find next point we find here, what see in this question say here also find the distance QR and PR. Also the find the distance distance QR and PR. So QR and PR. Find the distance QR and PR. So QR here is given, and find the distance PR. QR and PR. Now use here the distance formula. Look this. Distance between PR is equal to root here x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here, so now here is given that x2, so x, the value, find the x values here is a 4. So x2 is a 4 and x1 is given here minus 5 whole square plus y2 here is given that 6 and y1 here is given that minus 3 whole square. So what we get here, minus 1 whole square, and this one here is given that minus 6 into minus 3 plus हो गया, plus 6 plus 3 we get here 9 whole square. We get here 1 plus under root 1 plus 9 9 is 81. We get here under root 82. We get here under root 82. Clear? And find the distance between QR. Find the distance between QR. This one is clear. Here we find 82. Now find the distance between QR. Distance between QR. So QR here is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So we find here x2. So this one is a x2, here is the 4, and x1 here is given that q's point is 0 1, 0 1. Clear? So x2 is 4 and x1 is 0 whole square plus y2 here is given that 6 and y1 given here minus 1 whole square. So we get here 4 whole square plus 5 whole square. 4 whole square we get here root 16 plus 25. So what we get here, 6 plus 5 11, 3 plus 1 4, 41. QR is root 40 41. Clear? And QR and PR we find already. Clear? This one is our solution. I think question number 10. Question number 10, find the relation between x and y such that point x, y is equidistant from the point to this 3, 6, minus 3 and 4. So this one is the same question. You can try it. If face any problem, please tell me. Clear? Now we meet in next video. Clear? Thank you.